Welcome to the FDA QRC 2019 GMP update session. This session is being provided as a recorded learning. You may request a certificate of completion using the instructions located on the last slide. We are pleased to provide technical content to the industry, and should you have any questions, please reach out using the contact information provided at the end. My name is Michelle Copeland, a Senior Project Manager at FDA QRC. I have been working in preclinical research and clinical trials for approximately 15 years in all areas of quality and auditing. In the first portion of this session, we will go through GMP updates in 2019. We will discuss the GMP inspection trends, new guidance documents which were issued, and summarize. Here we have the top 7 inspection trends for 2019. As you can see in the chart provided, the top spot went to the QAU. Specifically, QAU findings relate to the regulatory requirement that procedures applicable to the quality unit shall be in writing and shall be followed. One of the big trends across the board really relates to not having really well-written procedures and a really good training program to document training on those procedures by all staff that need to have it. This really goes back to the section on equipment, written procedures, lab controls, and the QAU. Proper training on how to document discrepancies is a very big topic. And in fact, the second highest number of 483s issued related to investigations of discrepancies. Our third trend related to facilities having defined areas of sufficient use. Number 4 came in with lab controls needing to have scientifically sound and appropriate specifications, standard sampling plans, and test procedures. Stability testing came in at number 5, and the production and process controls being supported by written procedures came in at number 6. Equipment cleaning and maintenance rounded out the top 7. The FDA issued draft guidance in February of 2019 entitled Quality Considerations for Continuous Manufacturing. The guidance describes several key quality considerations and provides recommendations for how applicants should address these considerations in new drug applications, abbreviated new drug applications, and supplemental NDAs and ANDAs for small molecule, solid oral drug products that are produced via a continuous manufacturing process. The guidance focuses on scientific and regulatory considerations that are specific or unique to continuous manufacturing. These considerations include process dynamics, batch definition, control strategy, pharmaceutical quality system, scale up, stability, and bridging of existing batch manufacturing into continuous manufacturing. FDA guidance issued in October of 2019, identification of manufacturing establishments in applications submitted to CBER and CDER questions and answers. This guidance was intended to clarify agency expectations regarding facility information that should be included in original new drug applications, abbreviated new drug applications, original Biologics I license applications, amendments, supplements, chemistry, manufacturing, and control supplements, and resubmissions to these submission types. This guidance addresses questions related to the inclusion and withdrawal of proposed commercial facilities and development facilities, the appropriate location within an application for facility information, and the type of facility information that should be included in applications. Applications that include appropriate and complete facility information in establishment information section of Form FDA 356H will reduce the frequency of information request, refusal to file, and refuse to receive actions, and increase the efficiency of the application assessment process. The guidance describes the recommended placement of all facility information for both original and supplement applications. It applies to BLA products licensed under Section 351 of the Public Health Service Act, including in vitro diagnostics regulated as BLAs, and drug products marketed or to be marketed under an NDA or an ANDA under the FDA Food and Drug Cosmetic Act. This guidance applies to all manufacturing locations, including facilities that perform functions under contract. In January of 2020, guidance for human drug compounding outsourcing facilities under Section 503B of the FD&C Act was issued. This guidance describes FDA's policies regarding compliance with current GMP requirements for facilities that compound human drugs and register with FDA as outsourcing facilities under Section 503B of the FD&C Act. FDA intends to promulgate more specific CGMP regulations for outsourcing facilities, but until these regulations are promulgated, outsourcing facilities are subject to the CGMP requirements in Parts 210 and 211. This guidance provides for conditions under which FDA generally does not intend to take regulatory action against an outsourcing facility regarding certain requirements in Parts 210 and 211 during the interim period. This guidance applies to drugs compounded in accordance with Section 503B. In addition, this guidance generally applies to drugs that outsourcing facilities repackage and biological products that outsourcing facilities mix, dilute, or repackage in accordance with relevant guidance for outsourcing facilities. It reflects FDA's intent to recognize the differences between outsourcing facilities and conventional drug manufacturers while maintaining the minimum standards necessary to protect patients from the risks of contaminated or otherwise substandard compounded drug products. This slide provides further content coverage for CGMP for outsourcing facilities. The ICH Q10 Pharmaceutical Quality System was designed to improve public health around the world by helping enhance the quality and availability of medicine. The focus of Pharmaceutical Quality System is to increase international harmonization of the technical requirements to ensure safe, effective, and high-quality therapies. They also want to ensure that medicines and clinical therapies are registering in an efficient and cost-effective manner. The objectives include to achieve product realization, to be able to establish, implement, and maintain a system that would allow the delivery of products with the quality attributed appropriate to meet the needs of the patient and other stakeholders. Establish and maintain a state of control. Develop and being able to use effective monitoring and control systems for the performance and product quality. Facilitate continual improvement. Being able to identify and implement product quality improvements, process improvements, variability reduction, innovations, and pharmaceutical quality system enhancements, thereby increasing the ability to fulfill quality. ICH Q10 Overview. ICH Q10 is an ISO system approach to GMP principles. It covers the full life cycle of medical products. The main objective of the ICH Q10 guidance is for product realization, control, and improvement. An ICH Q10 demands leadership to lead a quality system to protect the public health and respect to product life cycle. In 2019, GMP guidances generally related to answering questions from industry, clarifying previously given guidances. Inspection trends overall were similar to other years, but this year in particular, QAU procedures took the top spot. Please find the references used for this slide presentation below. Your feedback is valuable for helping us improve future training sessions. Please take a moment to complete the survey at the link provided. To receive a certificate of completion, please visit the second link. Thank you for your time. We look forward to hearing from you.